guys, this is Pen of Marta and Pen. Now we are going to make a veggie burger made of banana blossoms or puso ng saging sa Tagalog. Let's start by cleaning our banana blossoms and then peel it until the white part is almost half visible. And then we have to cut it into 4 pieces or cut into 4 parts. Let's put our banana blossom to boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes until it gets soft. And then after that, we have to take it out from the boiling water and set aside until it gets cooler. Let's start cutting our garlic into small pieces. We have 3 cloves of garlic for this recipe. Now that our banana blossoms were cooler, you can start cutting this into small pieces. I don't like the stalk, but it's really up to you. It's optional. It's soft. Now you can cut your carrots into small pieces. And then let's incorporate all the ingredients into a medium bowl with our seasoning. And it's up to you if you want to put just garlic and salt, but me, I put Italian seasoning. And now that our ingredients are incorporated with each other, let's put the oatmeal. And we make sure that our oatmeal is instant. And then after that, we put our eggs, 3 eggs, and then mix it with our bare hands. Now we have a nice looking good patty. Ooh la la, really smells good. Don't forget your potato. What I did, I sliced some potato and fry it. It's up to you. You don't really have to do this, but I just thought of it. Ayan guys, tapos na ang ating veggie burger. Titikman na natin kung ano kaya ang lasa ng ating veggie burger. Sarap. Napaka-juicy niya. Para talaga siyang hamburger. Subukan nyo guys. Ang sarap.